Get ready to level up your student living game with Somerset Place Apartments in Evanston. Featuring stylish 1- and 2-bedroom apartments and sleek studios, you can live independently or with your squad in the lap of comfort. These stunning apartments are bright and Instagram-worthy, perfect for updating your followers while lounging in bed. Step into the walk-in closet and choose your look for the day, while adjusting the AC for the perfect ambience. The fully equipped kitchen allows you to flex your culinary skills and impress your friends. And when it comes to chilling with your squad, you can hit up the lounge or grill area or even treat yourself to a spa day on the weekend. Located just a short 15-minute drive from both Loyola University and North Park University, this student accommodation is perfect for those who want to balance studies and social life. When it's time to let loose and have some fun, Farragut's on Clark and Uptown Lounge are the hot spots to be at. And if you need last-minute supplies for a house party or an assignment, Target is only a 7-minute drive away. Don't miss out on the perfect home with the perfect space. Head to amberstudent.com now and book your stay.